Welcome to my home sweet cottage, where life is simple and sweet. I was so surprised to find out that sage is good for so many things. It is packed full with vitamin A and C and other antioxidants. Sage is antiviral, antimicrobial, and an anti-inflammatory. Sage is great to help you fight off the cold and flu. And it is also used for digestive problems. It is also believed to help with depression, memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, and cancer. It has also been said that sage can heal acne and help hair growth. Although for anyone who has any type of seizure disorder, it is recommended to stay away from high doses of sage. You can use sage leaves fresh right off the stems, or you can gather large quantities to dry and save for a later time. With both of these recipes, the tea and the throat spray, you can use fresh or dry leaves. To dry leaves, you simply tie the stems together and hang anywhere you like. It should take about 2 weeks to dry completely. Once it is dried, pick it from the stems and put it in a glass jar. Herbal teas are so simple to make and is a great way to give your body what it needs naturally. Sage tea is my go-to whenever I am fighting a cold. I like to add 2 fresh leaves to my tea, but you can add more or less. Adding honey gives an extra bit of flavor and also soothes an irritated throat. When making my throat spray, I use dry leaves. The recipe could have stopped there, but my parents had made some echinacea tincture, and echinacea is great for shortening the duration of common cold and flu. It's also great for sore throats and coughs. You can learn more about sage and all of its healing properties on my blog, homesweetcottage.com.